Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Snapchat device ban. First of all, open up the App Store on your phone. Once you get into the App Store, tap on the search bar. Then search here for Snapchat. Now make sure you have the updated version of Snapchat. If not, then update it to its latest version. After that, go into your phone settings. Scroll down in Settings and tap on General. Then, go into iPhone Storage from the General. Now scroll down in iPhone Storage and look for Snapchat. After that, tap on the Snapchat app from here. Then tap on the option that says Offload App from here. Now get back to Settings and tap on the search bar. Search here for date and time. After that, tap to turn off the Set Automatically option from here. Then, set your date and time from here. Also, you can select or change your city or country from the same spot. After that, get back to the Snapchat app and your problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.